Okay, so today we are going to be going over how to link in Google Slides. This is going to give us the interactive piece of our interactive poster for Black History Month. If you take a look on this slide, I have detailed all of the points that you have to make sure you have completed before you move on with the linking. So what I'd like you to do is take a look at this. If you have not completed any of these items, you need to stop the video, you need to go back, and you need to get it done, okay? Please don't go to the linking until you have all of that finished. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that anyone that is watching the rest has completed all of the prerequisite items on this screen. All right. So what you have here is just a mock-up. All right. This is obviously not a full project. You can see I only did the title slide plus one of the slides that we'll be linking to. I did, though, make sure to show you that you need to have at least one slide for each of your topic points that you chose. Each picture represents a topic point. So in this case, I built the early life slide that goes with the Hawaii picture. Now, in order to link, there's a couple ways. So the first thing you can do is you can use the shortcut, which is Command K. All right, so you hit Command K. Oh, I lied. Sorry. You need to click on your picture, then Command K. All right. Command K will give you this box. Here's where, if you wanted to, you could link to an outside area, like a video or a web page. Or, in our case, you're going to be linking to slides in this presentation. All right. The other way to link is you have to be clicked on your picture, and this is the link button. All right. So when you click on the link button, it'll give you that same box. Now, when you click slides in the presentation, you've got next slide, last slide, or this slides in between. This sounds simple, but you need to make sure you know what picture is going with what slide. So for instance, this picture is going with slide 2 because it's early life. If I were using this picture over here, the Barack Obama book picture, that would be going with the last slide, okay? You have to have that laid out. It's not the end of the world if you link to the wrong slide because you're going to test it anyway, but it is helpful to know. So I'm going to click slide 2, and I'm going to hit apply. Now, if I were to test it from this area, I guess you could call this the editing area, you'd click on the picture, and you'd have to now select slide 2. It won't do that in present mode. So let me show you in present mode. So if you're in present mode, I'm going to click the Hawaii picture, and it brings me here. Now, as you can see, I've got a decent amount of information. I'm not looking for nearly that amount from you. I have some cute pictures. If you're having a hard time finding images, try to get at least one. And then down here in the corner is a small picture. I asked you to all pick one, and I did put click here so people know. And what this picture should do is it should bring us back to the title slide so that you can continue exploring the rest of the project. So let's see if it's going to work. There we go. So all you have to make sure you do when you're doing this, it's simple. You have to make sure you have your slides already built. As you can see here, if I wanted to, I could take Barack. Oh, I did already link him to slide 6. Little actually interesting bit of information here. As you can see, because my picture is all the way to the right, I can't actually do what I need to do. So I suggest when that happens, you just move the picture and you do whatever you need to do. Google is not always perfect, all right? Actually, I'll show you. It's a problem on this slide also. So when you have your picture down here, you can't access what you need to access. So just slide your picture up. You can mess with it here, all right? Link it to the first slide. You hit apply, and you just move them back. All right, I haven't really figured out the workaround for why that happens. I don't know if it's just a Google thing, but nonetheless, it's pretty simple. So once you have all your slides linked, in addition to your little picture linking back to the first slide, you should be able to share it to me, and I'm looking forward to your projects. All right, have fun, and please be creative.